Hello, this is a short video on showing you how you can whitelist all these paradigm sites so that your pop-up blocker doesn't block you from navigating. So here we're going to first go to Chrome. Make sure that you're always using Chrome when you're doing this. You're going to go up there into the settings, and once you find the settings, you're going to go to advanced. Under the advanced, you're going to privacy and security, and then you have to go to site settings. Under site settings, there's the part that talks about uh, pop-ups and redirects. So click on that and you'll see that I've already started adding. But to add more, I'm going to go ahead and add all of these. And I'm going to put all of these sites on announcements so that you too can do the same thing. So Control C in here, and then I do Control V and paste it. I have to make sure to get rid of all the spaces, and then I add. So I'm adding all of these sites under allow, not under block. And that way my browser will allow all of the access to all of these sites, as well as, it will not block the pop-ups from these sites.